Hey guys, RW here, and on my operator myths and legends, I was wondering what the chances are that there's any kind of reality that you could actually run like a carbine and a shotgun all at the same time. I mean, like transitioning and stuff. It seems a little hinky, doesn't it? I mean, you got the carbine, all right? Let's see. Okay, so I pick off my targets at a good distance, bang, bang, bang. Then I got my shotgun. I don't know, this might work, guys. This might work. Let's try some transitions. I'm not going to go too fast because I don't want to shoot myself. Alright, here we go. It's cool. Interesting. Oh yeah, now we got something going on. Yeah, buddy. Didn't put on the safety that time. Sorry, guys. Okay, knocked the plate over that time. Can't keep going with that. Let's try this one. Is this real? Is this really happening? Am I really running a carbine and a shotgun? This is my dream. I've always wanted to run a carbine and a shotgun together. It's so much fun. We'll just keep running it dry. See? It would work. It would work. You could do it. You'd have to have a neck like a bull. Transitioning between carbine and shotgun. That's for all you Call of Duty fans, I guess. Alright guys, thanks for watching.